During an important conversation, it happens to all of us, but it can cost you connection, understanding, and even opportunities. Today, I'll share 10 simple but powerful tips to sharpen your focus during the conversations and make every interaction more meaningful. First one is eliminate distractions. Turn off your phone or notifications so you can be fully present. Point number two, practice listening. Focus on really listening instead of preparing your response while the other person is talking. Point number three, maintain eye contact. Eye contact is the secret to staying engaged. It helps you stay in the moment. And point number four, control your thoughts. Train your mind to avoid drifting. If it does, gently bring your focus back to the conversation. And point number five, ask questions. Engage actively by asking relevant questions. This keeps you involved and shows you care. Point number six, use body language. Lean slightly forward, nod, and use open gesture to show you are paying attention. Point number seven, paraphrase and reflect. Means repeat or paraphrase what the other person said. It reinforces your understanding and keep you engaged. Approach every conversation with curiosity and it helps your mind from wandering and foster connection. Point number nine, manage your energy. Eat well, sleep enough, and stay hydrated. And a focused mind starts with a healthy body. Point number 10, practice mindfulness. Take a moment before conversations to center yourself. A quick deep breath like this can do wonders for focus. Now is topic, my favorite topic, call to action. That is the main task. Improving your focus during conversations as a game changer. It builds better relationships and enhances your communication skills. Which tip will you try first? Drop it in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more practical tips to improve your personal and professional life.